Nandisebenze
It is baie jammer jou. But I'm just gonna say big ups to Joy Celebration for the song Gisebenzela is solo. But it's just that I don't understand the backing vocal is part of it. Cause the only thing they say is yeah.
Nandisebenze Sebenze ligamalam Isnalo somekale ngwengosi amna sebenze Isebenze disulu Nandisebenze disulu Isebenze ligamalam
Oh, okay, perhaps it's the best song for rusting your vocals.